In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the DDMusic player so you can enjoy your favorite tracks with the best possible audio quality. First, open the application and take a look at the clean interface designed for easy navigation. To begin adding your songs, navigate to the Library tab and select the option to scan your local folders. DDMusic will automatically find your audio files and organize them by artist and album. Once your library is populated, you can create a personalized playlist by tapping the plus icon next to any song title. This allows you to curate the perfect mood for any occasion. To enhance your listening experience, head into the Settings menu to explore the built-in equalizer. You can choose from various presets or manually adjust the bands to suit your specific headphones. Another great feature is the sleep timer, which is perfect if you enjoy falling asleep to calming melodies. Simply set your desired duration and the music will fade out gently on its own. If you want to customize the look of the player, check out the theme gallery where you can switch between dark mode or vibrant colors. Navigating through tracks is seamless using the playback controls at the bottom of your screen. Remember to keep your application updated to access the latest features and performance improvements. Now you are ready to dive into your music collection and enjoy a premium audio experience with DDMusic.